Welcome to Extreme Physics.
A Crash Course in Physics by Rachel and Aaron.
Episode 3, Instantaneous and Average Speed.
In this demonstration, we'll use Aaron's extreme sledding to illustrate the concepts of average and instantaneous speed. Aaron is sledding today on a hill which achieves record-breaking speed. When she gets to the bottom, she asks Rachel how fast she went. Rachel looks at her watch to find out how long it took Aaron to get down the hill, and then finds the distance that Aaron traveled. From this, she calculates Aaron's average speed.
Average speed is the distance traveled divided by the time it took to travel that distance. Speed can be found by distance, which is in meters, over time, which is in seconds. Meters per second is the generally accepted value and the most common unit.
Aaron went down the hill at the same time as the speed record champion, though, and they got the same average speed. Aaron wants to know if she broke the sledding speed record. How will she tell, since their average speeds were the same? To do this, Aaron finds her instantaneous speed at the fastest point in her run.
Instantaneous speed is the speed of an object at one specific point on its path of travel. This equation can be used for both average speed and instantaneous speed. For average speed, it's going to be the total distance over the total time versus instantaneous speed, which will be the distance at one point over the time at that same point.
Although one average speed can be found, it doesn't mean that Aaron was traveling the same speed at every point in her run. Instead, at some points, like the steepest part of the hill, she traveled faster, and at some, such as when she got to the bottom, she went slower. At these points, Aaron's instantaneous speed can be found, and her fastest instantaneous speed will determine whether or not she broke the record. Even though Aaron and her challenger had the same average speed over the course of the run, it is possible for Aaron to have a higher instantaneous speed at one point than he did, because averages are made up of the instantaneous speed points and are affected by outliers.